Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're looking at another lead code question which is symmetric tree. What the question says is that given a binary tree and we have a root node, we need to see whether the left and right are mirror to themselves or not. What I mean by that is, if you look at this example, right, if I kind of draw a line between as I was drawn earlier, whether this 2 is a mirror of this one or not, this 4 is mirror to this one or not, this 3 is mirror to this one or not, right? If you look at it, this 4 is closer. So if two people are in a mirror bit closer uh, and farther away from the mirror, then the distance is also, you can say, is considered, right? So 3 is equidistant from mirror from both the sides and the value is same. 4 is the same and 2 is the same. I think that's what we need to see. If this turns out to be true, then we need to return true as an output. If say this was a value say 1, then it would have been a wrong answer because here 2 is not matching with 1. I hope you would have understood the question. So with this, how we are going to approach this problem? I think this is a fairly, you can say, problem wherein we have to use recursion in a way. Wherein what we are going to do is we are going to see that okay, whether the values are same or not. If they are same, then we'll see the left from the given root node. We'll see okay, the left and right child are same or not, and so we'll go forward. What I mean by that is, say I'm going to return a boolean, right? So I'll create a method which is, say, find symmetry. And I'll say I'll pass the root node twice because what I'm going to use this node for is to compare compare the records, compare the values between the left and the right. I'll use that as a left and right childs. So considering I need to return a bool, so let me just say return this. Okay. So I'll say okay, public bool find symmetry tree node. Let me say root 1 and tree node root 2, just for clarity's sake, right? Because every node will act as a root, or you can say node 1, node 2, doesn't matter. So I'm going to say that if both the nodes are null, then I can return a true. So root node double equal to null and my root 2 is double equal to null, I can return true. Very simple, right? However, if any one of them is null but the other one is not, then I need to return false, because in a way what we're trying to see, right, they should equally match against each other if I draw a line between, right? So if root 1 is null or root 2 is null, and then I have just ensured that any of these values is not null in the first statement anyways. So if one is null, the other one is definitely not, I'll say return false because one of the value is not nullable. Now what I need to see, right, I need to say whether the values are matching of root 1 and root 2 or not. If they are matching, I need to pass along the left node and right node and see whether they are matching or not. If they are matching, then I need to see whether the right node and the left node are matching or not. What I mean by that is, I need to first compare the values. Say I'll compare this 2 with this 2. Then I'll say whether this root node, left node, right, is matching with this node or not, right? Because if you see the line, right, if this is on this line, I wanted something which was a 3 here, right? I wanted something on these lines, right? But in this case, I'm not getting it because this 3 is not having a value which is here, right? So in a way, what I'm saying is I have to compare the left node of this one against the right node of this one, and right node of this one against the left node of this one, right? What I mean by that is I'll first compare the root 1 dot val is equal to root 2 or dot val or not, right? Then I'll compare that root 1 dot left is double equal to root 2 dot left. This is what I need to compare. Dot right, right? So instead of doing this, I'll say find symmetry. Yeah, I just got a mistake here. Find symmetry, but this time I'll pass root dot left, sorry, root 1 dot left, comma root 2 dot right. It will also do the same stuff. It will compare both the nodes, compare the values, and then again check for the next left and right check. And the last thing which I need to see is the root 1 dot right needs to be compared again root 2 dot left. I hope you would have understood this. What we are trying to do here is, if you remember why this was not you can say symmetric, because this was fine, 1 was against 1, but this was also fine, 1 2 was against the 2. But if I'm looking at this child, right, I need to see whether it is present somewhere here or not, right? If this would have been present somewhere here and I would have something for against this, I need to have something like this, then it would have been a symmetry. But considering I don't have this and I don't have this, it's not a symmetry, because I have to compare the left of the root node here against the right node of the root 2 node here, right? In order to see whether these are values are well correct or not. Hence the check here. If the root 1 val and root 2 val are same or not, which is 2 and 2 are same or not, that is true, then again call this method against the left child of this one and right child of this one to see whether those are equal or not, and similarly vice versa. They'll compare the right versus the left of the both of them. Right? I think this is it, because if you see, if any of these conditions turns out to be false, I'll anyways return a false and it ultimately go back to return false. And at the end of the day, if everything turns out to be true, it will return a true. Let me quickly run this. It got accepted. Let me submit it. It got accepted again. So if I look at time complexity will be O of n, because we are traversing the entire input of the tree once. So we'll say that is O of n of time complexity. Right. With this, I'll take your leave. In case you still have any questions, any doubts, please do reach out to me in the comment sections. In case you like the video, please do hit the like button. And in case you're new to the channel and loved everything about it, please do hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.